How to zip and unzip files on your Windows computer. Now, the first thing we're going to look at is how to zip files into a compressed zip folder. So start by locating the files that you want to compress. If your files aren't already inside a folder, I recommend creating one first. To do that, simply right-click on your desktop or inside File Explorer, select New, and then click on Folder. Now, give the folder a name and drag all of your files into it. Once you've done that, right-click on the folder and select Compress to Zip File. Windows will now create a compressed zip folder containing all of your files. You'll know it's zipped because the folder will have a zipper icon on it, and if you hover over it, it will say Compressed Zip Folder. Now, if you want to unzip files, simply locate the zip folder on your computer, right-click on it, and select Extract All. You can then choose where you want the extracted files to be saved, and once you're ready, click Extract. Windows will now unzip the folder and you'll be able to access all of the files inside like normal. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.